Why you do not have any views on TikTok? Problem solved. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to why you're not being able to get any views on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've updated it, let's say that you opened up a new profile and you're not getting any views on TikTok. It could be happening due to multiple reasons. I will show you two things basically. One is the account-wise issue, the other is the algorithm-wise issue. So let's get with the account issue, which means that your account could be public, or either you've set that video's privacy to private. So in order to fix that first, we'll tap on the three lines on the top left corner, go to settings and privacy. And what we will do is we'll go to the option called privacy over here. You want to make sure that you have turned off private account, because when you turn on private account, most likely you will not be able to let anybody know that you have posted a video unless they have followed you. So when you have a private account, no one else other than you and your followers will be able to view your video. The other thing could be that if you look at the bottom, you'll see all these options. Over here you can see multiple types of different options such as comments, mentions and tags, story, do it, stitch, downloads, and so on. So you just want to make sure that all of it is actually set to public. Once all of this is set to public, you want to come to that particular video which you're not getting any views at. So let's say this is the video you're not getting any views at. What you can do is just tap on the three horizontal lines at the right hand side and go to the option called privacy over here. So just go to privacy settings, and once you go to privacy settings, you can see who can watch this video. You want to make sure it is set to everyone. And this is basically the account-wise issues which you can work on. Just make sure that is not the case. The other is the algorithm-wise issue, which means that even if all of your settings are public, TikTok is not recommending your content. For that, I would always recommend you to create a better content and use some better hashtags. So as you can see in this video as well, I have used a few hashtags in order to help me with my taggings and so on. So if you want to also get hashtags on some of the popular hashtags as well, then you can come to the discover page and you can see some of the trending hashtags over here based on your region. So depending upon the location you're actually in, your hashtags is going to be recommended in that way. And hopefully these solutions help solve your problem. If it did help solve your issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.